Hi everyone, this is Yogesh Mishra and I'm residing at Ramatapur, Hyderabad. Presently, I'm pursuing professional diploma in hotel management and catering science from Chennai Samartha International Institute of Hotel Management, which is located in Balkampet, Hyderabad. We all know what kind of situation we are facing. Like it's the biggest pandemic ever happened. And this pandemic let us everyone to stood in our homes and it's been more than 4 to 5 months. We have logged ourselves. We've been self quarantined for more than 4 to 5 months, I believe, and this had affected a lot in our lifestyles. Like what I mean to say in the lifestyle, it means a total changes and distraction in a student's education and a career. Like no nothing like no any initiative step taken, like any other colleges or schools have not taken any initiative step towards to their schools to their students better life. We see many loss in lives, in career, in education, in jobs. Many people, millions and millions lost their jobs, and millions and people lost their lives. And I can proudly say that our college, Chennai Samartha, has already taken an initiative step towards our better education, our better life, our future education. They have taken initiative step like approaching online classes with the faculties, and if faculties are not well coordinated with us, I think this couldn't happen. We are running the education very smoothly, and this happens only because of the faculty's coordination. Like they are totally sacrificing their enjoyment time, like lunch time with their families, and they're sacrificing the times. They are doing their household work, they are doing their job work. I think no one can do that. And our college has taken an initiative step, as I said already, and we are having online sessions every day, not even more than 4 to 5 hours. Imagine, it's not even extending more than 5 hours. um, I think not even more than 5 years. We are just having 2 to 3 or 3 to 4 hours every day, and we are having also a webinar sessions with our experts, like to get more knowledge about subjects and projects and all these things. And I'm really thankful to all the Chennai Samhita team and faculties and staff, everyone who are coordinating with us uh, to not to get disturbed in our education, in our daily education. And I hope every college and school does the same thing like our college doing. And I already see many colleges are also started taking initiative step towards the students better life. And this is the greatest thing, like in this, even in this pandemic, our faculties are supporting us and not letting us to lack our knowledge behind. And this is the greatest thing I've ever seen. And thank you so much to the Chennai Samartha team and to the staff and faculties for helping us to find the better way to acknowledge ourselves. And thank you so much for spending your precious time, very precious time. And I'm very grateful. I'm so proud to be a student of Chennai Samartha. Thank you so much.